Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Stitch Sew Quick Handheld Mending Machine from Pfaff. Threads, bobbins, needles and thread spindle included. Requires 4 2A batteries not included. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manuals. In the past I have made a video with similar product from other brand, so let's see how it works that and how it's performing. On-off switch, very convenient, you can use it with one hand. The bobbin, adjusting wheel, the tension control here, we have one set screw here, a test fabric, the needle arm is the base for the needle. Let's check and some accessories. Total we have 4 bobbins with threads, white here, blue, red and black. Total we have 2 needles, another one here, replacement. One extension pin for the spool bobbin holder here and one threading tool. It will help you to insert the thread inside the needle. There it is. And here we have the battery compartment. As I mentioned, we need 4 2A batteries. I don't know why it is so tight. Maybe because the batteries are rechargeable. Okay. So if you don't want to use batteries, you can use a power adapter DC 6 volt 800 mAh at this port. And on. Cut the thread. And I have this T-shirt. It is thin T-shirt. Let's test at this. Pull this attachment plate, insert the T-shirt and on. With the wheel, lift the needle, then the plate, so let's test it. Wow, it is strong. I like it. Nice. So let's test it again. Let's test it on a thicker fabric. Now, this area was thicker and we had some issues, but it passed. I like it. Now this is white color. Let's change on a black color. Why not? Let me show you how you can do that. Remove the thread from the needle. Remove the bobbin. Just pull. There it is. And use the black. We have this spring. Press. That was all. Insert the thread through this thread guide here. Perfect. Then add this tension control inside. And we have another thread guide here. Insert. And then last, insert the thread from the needle. Oh yes, success without the tool. This tool. I like it. For quick fixes, hems or on-the-go repairs, this little gadget really proves that big things can come in small packages. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next sewing review or DIY tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, keep stitching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.